Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making a magical and super quick dish, chicken keema. This flavorful minced chicken recipe is packed with aromatic spices and comes together in no time. Perfect for a meal whether with roti, naan or rice. So let's get started. Start by heating half cup of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cardamoms and 2 bay leaves. Saute lightly. Then add 1 cup diced onions and fry until translucent. Next add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Frying for a minute. Now add half kg of minced chicken. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon, and don't forget to share the recipes. Mix well and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Next season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well and cook for another 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of tomato puree and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until slightly dry. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Cooking for another minute. Finish by adding 2 chopped green chilies. And there you have it, the amazing chicken keema transferred to a serving bowl and garnish with fresh coriander and ginger julienne. Enjoy it with your favorite roti, naan or rice. If you like this recipe, do share and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.